Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Egwan Goodness, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can look good on camera, be it YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you're trying to upload your video to. And stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing another bonus tip at the end of this video. So if you're interested in knowing how you can look good on camera, let's get right to the video, guys. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to check your lighting.
Your lighting,
Your light, Sha. You want to check your light, and this is very important to ensure that your light is properly placed where they're supposed to be placed. That is, your main source of light should be in front of you. If your main source of light is behind you, you're not going to look good in this life and the next life, trust me. So your light has to be in front of you. If you're using sunlight, make sure that you're facing the sun, you're facing your window, and you're using your ring light, your softbox, make sure that it is placed in front of you and not behind you. The second tip I have is that you need to check yourself out. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay, I think I'm in a good mood today. The second thing you need to do is to check yourself out before you wreck yourself. And you're like, goodness, check yourself out. Okay, I do this for my videos. Every video I have put out in the past 1 year, and sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't remember, but days when I remember to do this, it works out very well for me. And when I mean check yourself, I mean film yourself like you're filming yourself before you actually film yourself. I feel like I've lost one subscriber already, but yeah. Okay, this is how it is. Before you actually film your video, just sit behind your camera for like a minute. Okay, a minute should do. For like a minute, and film yourself like how you would actually film yourself for your video. And when you're done for that minute clip, you watch it and see if your hair was placed properly, if your brows are like concealed properly. I don't know. These are the things I check out for. If my blouse is not stained, if I'm slouching, if I need to sit up, if my top is stained, if my bra is showing, things like that. If you don't wear bra, I'm sorry if I'm not relatable. These are the things I check out for whenever I'm trying to have those tips. And I do these things even till this very video. I check out for things that are not meant to be showing. If my background looks like how I want it to look like, if my lashes are looking okay, if my concealer is not blended properly, things like that. So it helps you to optimize the time that you're actually supposed to use to film your video. Because if you do not do this tip and you go ahead and sit and film and record for like 3 hours, 2 hours, an hour straight up, and you remove all the ceremony that you used to film, you remove your makeup, you remove your hair, you remove your light, and you want to balance and start editing, and you now see that your concealer, your foundation was not blended properly, my dear, you are going to hate yourself, because that is 3 years of your life that you will never get back, because could be avoided before you actually spend those 3 hours of your life. So you need to check yourself out before your video comes out looking like something as tiny as blending your foundation properly. Buzz. The third thing, and this is a very broad area, is what to wear in your video. If you sort of noticed, I tend to wear things in my video that are like plain, is that black or cream or beige or brown, basically colors that are not too shouty. That's the only way I can put. I'm sorry, I'm in Nigeria.
Us has noticed this one thing about Nigerians. In order to emphasize one word, we just say it twice. For example, fulu, longer, beer, water,
Shouty. I try to wear clothes that do not really have loud colors like that, and I try to stay away from clothes that have tiny stripes, tiny patterns, basically clothes like this that have like smells nice. So basically clothes like this that have patterns are not really good for camera. And the reason why I said that is because it tends to confuse the camera on what to focus on. This is actually called aliasing. So the tiny patterns, stripes, make it hard for the camera to focus on your face. So try to avoid clothes that have that kind of pattern or design on them. A plain cotton, chiffon, silk, whatever material will be good for you, and try to get clothes that somehow stand out from your background. You do not want to be looking like your background in your video. So you have like a white background and you want to like an off-white top, it might be really hard for it to stand out from your background. Like me right now, I have a white background, so I'm wearing black. So even if you have sight problems, there's no how you know that this is me. And that means that when you're under the sun, if you're trying to create a vlog or you're trying to use direct sunlight, try to stay away from direct sunlight. Okay, I feel like I'm contradicting myself here, but what I mean is that try not to face the sun. Do not face the sun. If you find a tree or a shade, it's best if you stay near the shade or underneath the shade, because then it will have like soft lighting on your face and not the harsh light coming directly from the sun. When you're doing that, try to avoid wearing white when you're under the sun filming, because white tends to bounce off color. So if you're wearing white and you're filming under the sun, it's not going to look pretty at all. You'd want to also dress the part of whatever you're filming. If you are doing a fitness video and you're wearing an apron, it is going to be bizarre. So if you're wearing a fitness outfit, so without anybody letting us know, we will know that you're trying to get into a fitness video content that you're trying to create for us. And if you're wearing apron, we'll know that okay, this is kitchen cooking kind of video. So you don't want to be filming about swimming and you're wearing a pilot's outfit. It is not going to work. You need to dress the part you are trying to address. Someone like me now, I basically wear either casual clothes or corporate, or in between, or the two of them. I just basically try to look simple and casual as I can be, because most of my contents are in the middle, so I don't really need to wear an outfit or a uniform that suits that context. The fourth thing that you need to do when you're trying to film in order for it to look good on camera is that you need to smile. There are times when I have filmed a video and I'm about to edit it and I said that I'm all, so you guys need to, it's not like I'm having a bad day, but I just forget to smile. And one thing about smiling when you're on camera is that it transfers automatically to your audience. So in a way, you have to get used to smiling even when things are not funny, just to make you a likable person and to establish a kind of relationship with your audience. Smiling helps to make you a little more comfortable than you are normally, and smiling tends to make you look like you're comfortable even when you're not comfortable. So why don't you try it out and see how it's going to transfer into your videos, into your views, and into your watch time in your YouTube video. Fifth thing is that you need to place your camera at the correct eye level. You don't place your camera when you're like this or when you're like this. So you need to place your camera at the correct eye level, whereby you're not too far off, you're not too far below, so you're just right in the middle like you're supposed to be. So now it's time for my bonus tip, and my bonus tip for today is you need to look into the lens, guys. Look into your lens, because it's gonna show if you're not looking at your audience. When you're recording, your audience is literally that small circle. So if you want to talk to the whole world, you're seeing the whole world through that small circle. So no one wants to watch a video when you're like, okay, this and that and this and that. And it's quite confusing if you're using your front camera to film, because I mean, we're all a little bit vain here. So it's very easy for us to just look at yourself. I'm like, oh, okay, let me see if my hair's done properly. But no, we do not want that. We want to look at you guys, and it's easier to communicate with someone eyeball to eyeball. That is the way I'm looking at you right now than me telling you, oh, so you guys should be able to do this. You're gonna just click away, and I don't want you to just click away. In fact, why won't you like this video? That I don't like. Must I beg you to like this video? I'm not doing my best for you guys. So please, if you've learned something new in this video, do not forget to like this video. It really means a lot to me and my channel. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new in this video. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Egwan Goodness, and do not forget to subscribe. I do tips and tricks like this for YouTube content or any content whatsoever. I do beauty content sometimes when I feel like it, and I do everyday lifestyle Nigerian girl kind of content on days like that also. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Bye guys.